Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to look at Sendr, a tool that can help you to create personalized video messages for outreach at scale. So if you are in marketing, sales or customer engagement, you know how important and how hard it is to make video that feels personal and also reach a lot of people. Sendr solves this problem. In this video, I will explain how it works, why it is useful, and also how you can get it through AppSumo with a lifetime deal. So stay with me until end the video. So what is Sendr? It is a platform where you can create videos that are personalized for your each viewer automatically. For example, you can make a video for a client with their name, company or even their logo and send it to hundreds of people quickly. Now, normally making personalized video or one by one is almost impossible, but Sendr automates this process while keeping the video personal and professional. And nowadays, Sendr has improved a lot. The AI technology is better, the templates are updated and easier to use. You don't need editing skill. You can record your video once and personalize the variables. And Sendr will generate unique videos for all of your recipients. And this is perfect for sales campaign, recruitment, outreach or customer engagement. It really saves hours of manual working. Another benefit is the engagement analytics. So you can see who watched your videos, who clicked on your link and measure engagement. This can help you to improve your outreach strategy and make it more effective. And because it is cloud based, you can manage everything from one place, which is very convenient. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are very simple: personalized videos at scale, easy setup, time-saving automation and analytics. And the con side is that it may take some time to render all of these videos, but for most users it works perfectly and save a lot of effort. Now let's talk about the pricing. Sendr normally has the subscription plan on their official website. It's monthly or yearly payment, so you can add monthly or yearly payment can add up if you plan to use it regularly. But the best part is through AppSumo you can get a lifetime deal. That means you just need to pay once and you can use it forever, no monthly fees. So if you plan to generate personalized videos regularly, this deal can save you a lot of money. So the Sendr in this time is a great and powerful tool for marketers, salesperson and anyone who wants to make personalized videos quickly and efficiently. And using the AppSumo lifetime deal is the smartest way to get it at a lower price than the official one with the full feature forever. So check the description below this video and click the special link to grab the lifetime deal now. This tool can really improve your outreach and make your communication more personal and effective. So that's all for Sendr on Easy Access Tech channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.